Hey fish people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a medicine that is a little controversial because some people say it doesn't work for them. I personally have had good luck with it, and that is Pimafix by API. So Pimafix is an antifungal medication. I'm going to put medications in air quotes because a lot of people say when they use this, it's just a gimmick. It doesn't actually work. Now, what this is it's like a natural oil. It's made from West Indian bay trees, which provide a natural antifungal. Kind of like when we put catappa leaves and Indian almond leaves, elder cones, and other botanicals in our tank. This is something kind of like that. It's a natural oil that helps your fish fight extremely mild and not severe cases of fungal infections. Now, I personally had a corridor that was suffering from an extremely bad fungal infection. If I can find the footage, you'll see that here. And I treated him with Pimafix and then API's Melafix just to cover my bases. I personally like starting out with these because to me, this is like when you're feeling sick, you don't want to go straight to the doctor. You're going to stay at home, you're going to drink your fluids, you're going to drink some vitamin C booster, and you're going to try some natural at home remedies first. So, this is my first step when I see a fungal infection on my fish. I start with this before I go to an antifungal powdered medicine or other stronger liquids, just because I don't want to be over medicating my fish and make them weaker in the long run. And like I said, I've had decent experience just starting out slowly and with the Pimafix. So to me, this is a great way to just, if you notice a slight fungal infection on your fish that's nothing major, start out with this. It would be like starting out with a low dose of amoxicillin or something if we were sick. Doctors don't want to give us too strong of a medicine because it can hurt our immune systems in the long run. That's why I like starting with the Pimafix. For this, with the instructions, you're going to want 5 milliliters per 10 gallons of water. You're going to dose that daily for about 7 days. Once your 7 days are up, you can do about a 20%, 50% water change. You should notice your fish getting slightly better after about day 4. If you don't notice your fish getting better, I would say then you might want to look into something stronger just to be on the safe side. Again, this is a very mild medicine. Some people don't even call it a medicine just because, again, it is derived from that tree, more like a natural oil. The other good thing about Pimafix is you can use it with other medicines. If you have a bacterial infection or ick or something else, you can use Pimafix in conjunction with other things. One of the downsides with this, like other medications, is you have to pull your carbon filtration out of your tanks just so it doesn't get sucked out of the water. But that's common of all medicines. Our carbon filters pull all the medicines out of the water, so you have to pull those. Like most chemicals you're going to be using, medicines, things of that nature. Don't use it and touch your eyes. If you get it all over your skin, go wash yourself off. If you are sensitive to certain things, wear gloves when you use it, just to be on the safe side. I've been using this stuff for a decade now, not had any issues. Of course, I'm also not allergic to freeze-dried foods like some people are. So if you're sensitive to things, just wear protection when you're going to be using this product. Personally, I like to keep a small bottle of this on hand for immediate emergencies so that I can start treating my fish with something light and not overly strong. A lot of people are going to tell you this doesn't do anything, it's junk, but I've had success with it in treating really bad fungal infections. Like the one I had on my corridor, that fish should have been dead to rights. I dosed him with Pimafix and Melafix, and within 3 days, the fungal infection started clearing up, and I was able to put him back in his tank after the 7 days was up. So again, I've had a good experience using this. Other people, not so much. It is like a natural essential oil, more so than a medicine, but it still does work for treating extremely mild cases of something. Thank you all so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy the video, remember to leave a like on it. If you're interested in other medicine guides or taking care of sick fish, I'll make sure to link a video at the end screen for you and let YouTube pick the other one. Then leave me a comment down below and please let me know what your opinion on Pimafix is.